Hey, welcome to my garage. My name is Ryan. Today we're going to hear the difference between the stock exhaust and a Supertrapp exhaust on a 1984 CB650SC Nighthawk. I honestly think the stock exhaust sounds pretty good on this motorcycle, but the Supertrapp is a big improvement in my opinion. Why wait anymore? Here it is. Well, what do you think? Do you like the stock or do you like the Supertrapp? Let me know in the comment section what your preference is. I want to take a moment and invite you to subscribe to the SO9 Engineering YouTube channel. I'll get back to the exhaust in just a second, I promise. I have some pretty cool videos lined up. I don't know if you noticed that GL650 in the background, but I'm excited to work on that, and that's going to be what I'm putting a lot of work into, and hopefully sort of showcasing what I can do as an engineer. I'm putting together a DIY flow bench so that I can test the pressure drop across different air filters. I want to test the stock air filter and compare that to different aftermarket filters as well as some pod filters. I'm also going to be setting up a data acquisition system so that I can measure the performance based on changing the air filter or the jets, and I'll be using that to tune the carb. And what else am I going to be doing? I've got a custom headlight set up with some custom mounts, as well as I'll be showing a how-to video how to put a Trailtech Vapor computer on there. If any of that sounds interesting to you, I really hope you subscribe. All right, let's get back to the exhaust. I honestly think the idle sounds a lot better, and here's a quick comparison showing the stock idle to the Supertrapp idle. Okay, now here's a comparison of revving both the stock and the Supertrapp. I think the Supertrapp is a big improvement to the sound of this bike. You get a nice low tone and a bit more attitude from that extra volume. I think you can expect to get a similar sound on a CB550, 650, or 750 of the same vintage. I also put together a video on how to install this exhaust. So if you want to watch that, you can click here. And if you haven't already subscribed, you can click here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.